Hello my angels, my dears, this is Angel. Welcome to my channel and to another video. Well, I was thinking recently that it's been such a long time since I made any kind of vegetables for this channel. So I wanted to make my roasted Brussels sprouts. Now I like my Brussels sprouts with roasted garlic and with brown sugar. Sometimes I like to put nuts in it, mostly walnuts, but let's see if you like your Brussels sprouts the way I like mine. Come on, let's get into the kitchen. Let's get started. Let's go. Look at how the garlic is embedded in that. Look at it. Depending on the size of the sprouts, you may not need all the sugar. If your 1 pound bag gives you a lot of little ones, you're going to need more sugar. Total roasting time should be 30 to 35 minutes. Well, tell me, how you like those Brussels sprouts? Isn't it wonderful the way the vegetables' natural sugars get caramelized when you apply heat to it? Love it. Beautiful. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video, be sure to give me a like. You know that's going to be a thumbs up. Share on all the media platforms. Make sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this recipe and if you're going to try it yourself. If you haven't yet decided whether or not you want to subscribe to my channel, look at some of my older videos. And if you want to subscribe, be sure you do so and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I have any new videos. Be a blessing to someone. And as always, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. See you next time.